Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play various arcade as well as custom matches on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now you can click on Play Dota at the bottom right corner to play various different game modes. However, if you wish to play arcade or any custom match, then click on the arcade section at the top. Now from the arcade menu, you will see various different active and ongoing games. You can read the description of each game by simply hovering over it, which will open up the description window. You can click on the play button in order to join and start playing any match that is ongoing. Now if you would like to join a custom game, then you can click on search custom game box at the top right and simply type in the name of this custom game. After you find it, go ahead and click on it, and you can now start and install this map in order to join right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join any arcade or custom matches on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.